can't do that. Thank you. That was a good one. Don't get me.
He's got you trained.
Mm-hmm.
Edward or the dog? The dog. I'll say the dog.
Throw it as hard as you can and see what happens. But bounce it off the ground.
Hard as I can? That's about it there.
You don't let it pass.
Ready? Do you want a Benadryl?
Come on, one more sneeze. One more sneeze for you two, brother.
Well, your Zyrtec and kicking in.
No, I take any.
Oh.
There's no point. It's not an allergy.
What is it?